What's up guys? Okay, another day, new things to do. So basically what the plan is for today is there's like a miracle garden like full of flowers. We're thinking of going there and then going to see the waterfall in front of what's it called, and then basically the waterfall show near the Burj Khalifa, and we're gonna go to the Dubai Mall. So that's the plan for today. That gives us one more day left until we fly back home. And yeah, so that's what the plan is. And yeah, let me show you my outfit. Let's see. Right, okay, I had to change out of my other outfit because I didn't like it. So I'm just kept it simple with my black. What do you say? Hello.
Hello. Cleaning?
Yeah, we're leaving in like 5 minutes. So.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah? Nice, thank you. Right, yeah, so I'm wearing my black bodysuit with blue jeans, my Pumas. Look how shiny they are. We cleaned all our shoes today. So now they look white and crispy. Yeah, and then I kept it with white style to match the shoes, backpack as usual, and this guy is wearing white on white with cargo pants and trainers. So that's the plan for today, and we'll see how things go. Hi Jyoti.
Hi Jas.
Hi Jyoti.
Hi Bandri.
Right, we're just walking down to the station, and yeah, that's what we're doing. And it's like 29 degrees, so it's like really hot today. But we're not wearing too many layers, so it's fine. But look at them buildings.
Chalo.
we've done some shopping. We managed to get gifts for my siblings and stuff. Yeah, so the lighting here is really bad, but yeah, so that's what we've done. We're now waiting for the next fountain show. We kind of watched one, but it wasn't like the best view, so we've like moved along, hoping we'll get a better view now. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We tried Tim Hortons for the first time. I wouldn't say it's like the best thing. I don't know if I bought the wrong thing. Leave a comment down below if you guys know what the best type of Tim Hortons drink they have. Yeah, let me know, because the one I tried, I don't know, it just didn't. I preferred the Starbucks here than the Tim Hortons. This is the first time we tried, so I don't know. But yeah. Justy! Boom!
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.
Basically, we just went down to the supermarket to get food, and I thought about doing a taste test. So I picked up whatever I could that I have never tried and never seen it before. So I just picked up like a ton of things. So I'm just hoping it comes out well. Okay. So yeah, legit, we're like so tired after killing us. Yeah, not gonna lie. The marina view is lush, and that's the other side. It looks so pretty. Right, we're walking back to the hotel and we're gonna chill, hopefully, and eat dinner. Yeah. Bags de vich bags paate hain, taan karke lagde hain. Yeah. So that's what the plan is, to go to the hotel, eat, sort our things out, because we got one day in Dubai left. So yeah.